The project, that has impressive sea views, is located on the very southern tip of the island of Bali, about 150 meters above sea level, at a retreat billed as a paradise for surfers. The Cliffront 7 Carbon House is a tropical modern villa in Uluwatu, combined humble materials like palette of 100-plus-year-old reclaimed teak from Java, reclaimed ironwood from Kalimantan, andesite, terrazzo, local limestone, and floor-to-ceiling windows. There's a triangular pergola that juts out at an angle to shade the private swimming pool in front of the property. Slender lengths of wood create a geometric pattern within its transparent center. Single-story and hexagonal in plan, this house has a simple layout. An open-plan and open-air lounge, kitchen, and dining space faces directly onto the pool. Four-bedroom suites are arranged to one side so that they can also open out to the pool and garden. The reclaimed teak, which was sourced from Java, covers the underside of the roof, while the locally quarried limestone creates tessellating patterns across the walls of the bedrooms and bathrooms. Here's a look at the plan.